So hello guys, in today's video we're gonna know about some most helpful VS Code extensions which could increase our productivity by several percents. Without wasting much of your time, let's get back to our VS Code. Click on the extension section here. So the first extension that we're gonna discuss is auto rename tag. So yeah, here is it. So as you can see, I have already installed it. So it does one thing, that is when we change the name of a tag, it automatically changes the name of its closing tag as well. So for example, if we want to change the name of the main tag to div, yeah, you can see it automatically change the name of its closing tag as well. So it is very helpful. It saves much of our time. So the next tag that we're gonna discuss about is live server. Of spelling mistake. Yeah, this. So while working on some of our projects on HTML, we have to refresh our browser every time. But while using this extension, we don't have to do that. It automatically refreshes the browser on every save. That is, for that, as you can see, here is a go live button. You will get it after installing the extension. Let us click on it. Yeah, you can see it. Let us change something in this, like let's change the placeholder. For that, like I have changed. So you can see without refreshing the browser, it's automatically changed to the new changes, applied changes. Yeah, so it is very helpful for the one who are working on HTML, CSS and JavaScript as a beginner. So the next extension that we're going to discuss in this series is Preetier. So just search for Preetier. Yeah, here it is. So you just have to install it. Now let's see its use. So while working on some of our big projects, sometimes we really mess up our codes. To make it more readable, Preetier could be a great choice. It just format our code. So let's see if I unformat it. Let's see, I have given extra space. Whenever I save, yeah, you can see it's automatically aligns our tags in a definite shape and or definite space and indentation. So it make our code very readable and sometimes it saves our time. Let's move back to the next, that is material icons. So as a developer, we always like cool icons. For that, we can use material icons. So let's see. Yeah, this one. Uh, yes, you can just click on install and it will be installed. So what is its use? So let's see. So as you can see, here are some icons like this HTML icon and this JS icons. So it's make our project look cool. Like it gives a proper icon with the extension of the file. So yeah, it could be a beneficial for that. So the last extension that we're going to discuss is code CSS Peak. Yeah, it's a very important and very useful extension that I use mostly. That is code CSS Peak. You just have to search for it and then install it. So let's see what it does. So while working on responsiveness, sometimes we have to check the CSS file and HTML file simultaneously. That is, when we are working on responsiveness, we have to align something here and there. Yeah. To resolve that, we can use CSS Peak, which gives us the styling on a particular tag by just hovering on it. Let's see. For that, you just have to hold the control and hover on a tag. Yeah, you can see all the properties that has applied to this class, like background image, and blah blah. Yeah. So it could be very helpful when you are designing a web page according to the responsiveness for different sizes and many more. Yeah. So these are some cool extensions. Hit the subscribe button if you loved it, and thanks for watching. Do check out the description for some helpful resources.